Hello. Now I try to desolder targeted part from the PC fixing jig by BGA Rework machine BK-350S. Now I see that this USIM slot, so I use 350S to desolder it. You guarantee whether the chip is at the center of the lower heater on the top. Yeah. And then you turn the main shaft. And then you adjust the main shaft appropriately. Like this. You can see the targeted part from various angles, whether the targeted chip is at the center, inside the nozzle. So the nozzle selection is appropriate. If this is okay, then you fix tightening and fixing lever, and you can turn knob slowly to lower the upper nozzle. Please understand I'm using my one hand to hold the cell phone to shoot this movie. Okay, the placing circuit board fixing jig is roughly okay, and please look at this temperature profile, especially at the third stage, the final stage, I mean at the 260 Celsius degrees for 90 seconds. Within this time, I think it will be melt. I mean, the solder to leave this screen, click apply and start. Before clicking start, let's see, the temperature is lower than 50 or 40. If not, you can click the cooling. Actually, at the main working, cooling is automatic, but to lower the temperature, to cool down the left heat from the machine. And for your reference, before you turn off the machine, make sure that the temperature is lower than 50 or 40 for long use of the heaters. If this is okay, if you click start, the status button will be changed to heating. Now look at see, now it is standby, but if you click start, it is changed to heating. From standby to heating, and the two lamp turn on and off. But if the lamp is keep turning on, it means that heater is used up. At first you check whether the upper and lower heater lamps will turn on and off to control the tendency of inertial feature of temperature. The parallel value is the time, seconds, the vertical value is Celsius degrees. So according to the temperature profile, the first step is 50 Celsius degrees as a target temperature at the level of 2 degrees per second about. That is upper rate. And step time is after temperature reaches the target 50 Celsius degrees, it will maintain 5 seconds. Now you can simply change this 5 seconds to 10. No, because with one hand I am clicking. Okay. Whenever you want to leave the screen, click apply. So the temperature profile is on the second stage of 210 Celsius degrees. This time I will use vacuum to use suction pan to suck up the USIM slot. I think it will be a piece of cake. Because I am away from the nozzle, the heat capacity is quite, I can feel with the protective glove, which is anti-static. I recommend you to wear the protective glove to protect your hand or your eyes, and please do not breathe any vaporized flux because it is harmful to your health. The temperature is going up to the 260. Actually, the PV3 solder melting point is 217, but by the distance of the upper heater and lower heater to the target chip and the size and the various conditions, I set this temperature 260. So at the 260 it is heating on the target part. And the lap time is 44 seconds. So I will definitely use vacuum after the remaining time is more than 30 seconds. I think it's okay. So please click the vacuum and lift the upper main shaft and you cover hole. Right. That's it. It is piece of cake.